And today we're going to be checking out this GearLight bike light set. This is the GearLight S400 Pro. It's a rechargeable bike light set for any bicycle. So we're going to put it on my daughter's because she uses her bike the most. Let's get to it. All right, so the first one that we're going to install is the tail light right here. You can see it's nice, wide red. It has this rubber strap that stretches around, so it's super easy to install. You have your off on button right here. And to install it, we're going to install it on the seat post. You just basically hold it on there and you just stretch this around really tight and you hook it on. And that's it. Then once you get it installed, you can actually flip the light up and down to the desired position because of the angle of the post. So that's one already installed. Now to do the headlight, she has a little bag up here, so we're going to actually put it just off-centered on the handlebar right here. And this is what it looks like. You can see the button on top. Very nice, sturdy. It feels very, very solid in the hand. You have your recharge port on the back, but basically you're going to unhook the rubber strap, put it on, let me get it to where you can see it. Put it on the handlebar just like this, and then you just stretch it tight and hook it on, and now your light is fully installed. And as you can tell, you have multiple modes. But what we're going to do is we're going to come back tonight and see what it looks like in the dark, because that's where the proof is. All right, it's nighttime now. We're going to look at the lights real quick. Here's the tail light. You have solid, alternating, flashing, quick alternating, and off. Very cool. And then you have your little power button light up for the headlight. You can see it's on solid. Then you have dimmer, then you have dimmer, and then you have flashing, then you have solid again, then you have off. Very, very cool. So what we're going to do now is we're going to take it for a ride. We're going to go down here where it's really, really dark and see how well it works. You ready, Lizzie?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. But you can see it puts off a lot of light. You're going to get plenty of light in front of you to see where you're going. The super bright red light behind you is going to draw a lot of attention, so if cars are coming up behind you, they'll know you're there. And overall, a very well done little light. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.